2024 became one of the busiest yet most unforgettable periods in the career of South Korean star Cha Eun-woo. Between the success of his solo debut album Entity, his packed drama schedule, and his global fan concert tour, one memory still remains especially meaningful for fans: the beautiful moments from the just one 10-minute Mystery Elevator fan concert tour in Japan. The tour became one of Cha Eun-woo's biggest projects of 2024. After opening the concert series in Seoul in February, Japan quickly became one of the most special stops on the tour. Not only because of the overwhelming love from fans, but also because Cha Eun-woo celebrated his 27th birthday together with fans there.
감사합니다. Okay.
On March 27, 2024, Cha Eun-woo departed from Incheon International Airport to Japan. Even while rushing through his busy schedule, he still greeted fans and reporters with his signature warm smile. At that time, his popularity was exploding worldwide. His first solo mini-album Entity was receiving huge attention, while the drama Wonderful World was also gaining strong popularity. According to the Korea Brand Reputation Research Institute, Cha Eun-woo ranked as the most popular actor throughout March 2024. At the same time, news about the expansion of his Mystery Elevator tour to the Americas made his global popularity rise even further. The just one 10-minute Mystery Elevator events in Japan were held on March 30th and 31st, 2024. Japan received special treatment with extra fan events, including fan signings and a birthday celebration with fans. Every piece of merchandise reportedly sold out during the event, proving Cha Eun-woo's incredible popularity in Japan. One of the most memorable moments was the fan signing session, where over 50,000 fans lined up for a chance to see him up close. Fans praised Cha Eun-woo's kindness, manners, and warm interactions. Even small gestures, like the way he carefully received gifts with both hands, touched the hearts of many attendees. Many fans said they could not believe how handsome Cha Eun-woo looked in person, calling him a true, global icon. Throughout the event, he often spoke Japanese and tried to communicate closely with fans. His playful moments pretending to forget Japanese phrases only made the atmosphere even warmer and funnier.
ASTRO 1, 2, 3 김치 치즈
March 30th became even more special because Cha Eun-woo celebrated his 27th birthday together with fans in Japan. Happy Birthday Eun-woo flooded social media platforms worldwide as fans expressed their love and gratitude toward the idol who had brought them so much happiness over the years. But perhaps the biggest surprise came when fellow ASTRO member Sanha suddenly appeared on stage inside a giant gift box. The entire arena exploded with cheers and applause. The touching friendship between the ASTRO members became one of the most emotional and unforgettable moments of the Japan tour. The following day, the Mystery Elevator concert in Osaka continued successfully. Cha Eun-woo performed songs from his solo mini-album Entity with stable vocals and emotional delivery. He also sang Japanese songs loved by local fans, making the concert feel even more personal and meaningful. Many fans said they could never get tired of hearing Lee Dong-min's beautiful voice. Beyond singing, Cha Eun-woo also showed his playful and charming side through games and interactions on stage. From showing basketball moves to joking during outfit changes and even wearing costumes inspired by his childhood, every moment filled the arena with laughter and happiness. The concept of just one 10-minute was originally created to make people fall in love with Cha Eun-woo within just 10 minutes. But for many AROHA, their admiration for him lasts far longer than that. The success of the Japan tour later expanded to Singapore, Jakarta, Brazil, Mexico, and many other countries. Cha Eun-woo's global popularity continued rising, especially after Entity topped charts across multiple regions worldwide. Despite his busy schedule, Cha Eun-woo also remained active as an actor through the drama Wonderful World, where he impressed viewers with his emotional and mysterious character Kwon Sun-yeol. All of these achievements made 2024 one of the brightest years in his career. Now, while Cha Eun-woo is serving in the military, memories from the Mystery Elevator tour in Japan have become a precious comfort for fans missing him dearly. Those unforgettable moments remind everyone just how much love Lee Dong-min continues to receive wherever he goes.